Lesson 2, Unit 1, Program Management. What is a program? According to the PMI, a program is defined as related projects, subprograms, and program activities managed in a coordinated manner to obtain benefits not available from managing them individually. Sometimes the name program is used for a large or complex project, but this definition makes it clear that a program is a group of projects that are managed in a coordinated fashion to achieve a specific objective. For example, a health program will organize a series of related projects aimed to achieve a specific program goal. Each project contributes to the goal by delivering a specific objective. It's important to highlight that all programs have a goal. In this example, a health program is a high-level goal that not a single project will be able to achieve on its own, and it will take more time and more resources. Programs can include projects that are starting at the same time or projects that start at different times. A program can be for a specific sector, such as advocacy, or contain projects from various sectors such as nutrition and education. In both cases, all projects are aligned to a specific program goal. Each project has a project manager that reports to a program manager. All programs must support the higher level vision goals and strategic objectives of the organization. It's important to highlight that all programs have projects, but not all projects belong to a program. Another element of programs is that they include activities that are not part of the project scope. These activities ensure the continuity, synergy, and alignment of the projects to the program goal. For example, monitoring outcomes, managing stakeholder relationships, coordination, and managing the interdependencies amongst all projects in the program. Program management, as defined by the PMI, is the application of knowledge, skills, and principles to a program to achieve the program objectives and to obtain benefits and control not available by managing program components individually. It requires the alignment of the program components to ensure the program objectives are achieved and the benefits are delivered. Note how the definition includes the benefits that cannot be obtained if each program component was managed independently. Some of the key differences between program management and project management. In program management, the focus is on achieving program benefits. It looks at the long term and it's about doing the right projects. It's about effectiveness. Project management, the focus is on delivering outputs, looks at the short term, and it's about doing the project work right. It's about efficiency. The main argument for having a program is to exploit the economies of scale and reduce the cost of coordination and risks. The project manager's job is to ensure that the project succeeds. The program manager, on the other hand, is concerned with the successful achievement of the aggregated benefits that come as a result of the projects in the program. Program deliver outcomes, while projects deliver outputs. Program management is concerned with doing the right projects, while project management is about doing the projects right. Successful projects deliver on time, to budget, and to specification, whereas successful programs deliver long-term benefits. Another important characteristic of program management is that the organization can continue with monitoring long-term outcomes from the projects that have ended. When projects are managed independently, the only opportunity to know if the project delivered the expected result is through a final evaluation. When managing programs, the organization is on top of the results and can use the information to modify the strategies for the current and future projects and even changes in the program and portfolio strategies. The application of process, methods, and practices of program management has many benefits for development organizations. Some of the important benefits include the following: an alignment of projects to the organizational strategy, an increased synergy and cooperation, improved sharing of organizational resources, and better management of interdependencies. Programs ensure the alignment of projects to the organizational strategy and achievement of development goals. In program management, reporting is consolidated, which allows for equal consolidated analysis by the top-level management of the overall progress of the organization towards its goals. Increase synergy and cooperation amongst related projects, which increases the impact if projects were managed independently. That also creates cost efficiencies by consolidating processes, methodologies, and governance structures across all projects. When all related projects are managed under a program, their impact is magnified. A program manager has a closer view of the project performance and can tell right away which projects are doing well, which ones need more work, and which ones are not going to benefit the organization in the end. Improved sharing of organizational resources and increased knowledge retention that improves efficiencies. Effective program management involves putting in place a plan of how the activities will perform it, who will perform them, and what rules or guidelines should govern the performance of the employee as they go about their assigned tasks or activities. There are clearly defined roles, responsibilities, and accountabilities. Program management establishes uniformity and consistency, such that the team members will be able to perform effectively even when they move to a new project right after finishing another. This also reduces the cost of having to retrain them. Better management of interdependencies and stakeholder relationships. All projects that have a related objective have interdependencies, either in the delivery of results or the coordination of activities. Program management helps manage these interdependencies by clarifying priorities. For example, one project might need to complete the construction of a school before the next project can use it to improve the quality of education. This is a situation where one project needs to deliver something that another project needs before it can start. These projects are often infrastructure-related or enabling projects, but they are just as important as the projects that come afterwards. But managing a program is not free of challenges. Programs have many stakeholders, and that means that the program manager needs to manage complex communications, deal with the conflicting priorities from donors and other key stakeholders, and cope with incompatible internal processes that are not flexible enough to respond to the dynamic needs of managing a program. Program management uses many of the tools, methods, and processes used in project management, but with a different focus. The program manager plans, implements, and monitors projects using the same skills as a project manager. The most important difference is the focus on benefits and ensuring the projects are all aligned to the vision and contribute in a coordinated manner to the achievements of the organizational development goals. In general, a program is a plan for effectively delivering development results through a set of projects. The projects are normally developed after the approval of the program, but program management doesn't simply mean managing interrelated projects. It's about managing projects to maximize the benefits while ensuring they align with the organizational strategy and overall strategic objectives. An important factor to remember is that every large project with subproject does not automatically become a program. It becomes a program only when there is a conscious effort to coordinate the management and delivery of benefits. Program management is a crucial link between the portfolio in an organization and its projects. By defining a program, there are significant advantages in support of an objective of subdividing component projects rather than undertaking individual projects. Overall, program management strengthens the alignment towards organizational strategy, ensures better control, and provides more focus towards the realization of development benefits.